Hi, I'm Chef Ely, and today I will teach you how to make a classic opera gâteau or opera cake. So an opera cake is actually a French cake. So it's made of a layer of Gateaux sponge or almond sponge cake and coffee buttercream and a chocolate ganache and finished with a chocolate glaze. Opera cake, actually this is originated in France. So why it's called opera cake? Because it resembles the opera house because it's a layered cake. So normally this is served in hotels, coffee shop, and now it's not very common yet here in the Philippines, but now quite a few shops are starting to serve this. So it's a very good recipe for events and coffee shops. For this class, you will learn how to make a Gateaux sponge. Gateaux is actually means Mona Lisa in French. And so you learn how to make that. It's an almond sponge cake. And then you will learn how to make a French buttercream with coffee flavor. And then you will also learn how to make the chocolate glaze. So this glaze is very special for this cake because it only has 2 ingredients. This recipe is actually perfect for beginners. A lot of people are actually intimidated by this cake because it has multiple layers, but the recipe is actually very simple. That's why I choose to teach this class because it's also one of my favorite cake and it's easy to make. Ingredients are very easy to find. A lot of ingredients are your common ingredients that you can find in your pantry. I think one challenge would be the almond flour. But nowadays, you can order it online. A lot of baking stores carry it, so I don't see any problem with the ingredients. Join me as I share with you my expertise and knowledge in making a classic opera gâteau or opera cake dito lang sa the Bailiwick Academy.